Hey folks, Mr. McStache, you probably can't see me because I am in a haunted house. So what we are going to do is, no, that scared me. There's no scares in here. We are going to walk you through. Where's that at? That was just working real good. But yeah, there we go. We are going to walk you through a haunted house. There are no scare actors in here. There are no jump scares in here going on. Um, but I got me some good light there. Check that out. So we are going to walk you through here and show you some of this. This haunted house is in Salem, Massachusetts. It is amazing. The props are unbelievable. So we wanted to come through during the day and show you what's going on. Check it out.
Oh, you didn't know?
Until next time, folks, remember what Mr. McStache always says. Love on your family. Check on a buddy. And when you get back out there, always keep it rubber side down. Until next time, we'll see you.